In this video, I will give you a brief introduction to modules in Angular JavaScript. I'm Sai Sumant and welcome to Skills Grow. While I'm talking about it, a few questions may arise in your brain, such as what is a module? Why do we need to use it? What are its advantages? Okay, let us discuss about this topic in a brief manner. Firstly, what is a module? Let me explain you the actual meaning of module out of Angular JavaScript. Modules means set of parts that combine to complete a perfect object. For example, the parts of a mobile, car, etc. are its modules. Now, what is a module in Angular JavaScript? It defines the application functionality that is applied for whole HTML page using directives. It is a collection of services, directives, configuration information, filters, and controllers. Services. The services are used for organizing and sharing of codes. And also, these are substitutable objects that wire together using dependency injection. Directives. These are the extended HTML attributes with prefix ng. There are three types of directives: extended attributes, structural, and custom. Configuration information. It helps to navigate the different pages in the application even though the application is a single page web application. Filters and controllers. These both work on the data of the application. Filters modify the data and clubs into expression directives. Controllers control the flow of data in the application. It is defined as ng controller directive. Now let's move on to the next one. Why module? Many applications have main method that instantiates and wires through different parts of application. But Angular JavaScript doesn't contain any such main methods. Instead of that, it uses modules which declaratively specifies how an application should be bootstrapped. Wait, what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap? It is a technique of loading the program into the computer by means of few initial instructions. It prevents polluting the global scope as specific functions of Angular JavaScript is contained in modules. Advantages. The advantages of using modules are you can pack the code as reusable modules. Unit testing have to load relevant modules that keeps them fast. The process of declaration is easier to understand. Modules can be loaded in any order as they rearrange the order. End-to-end tests use modules to override the configuration. Okay, let us discuss something more about modules of Angular JavaScript in next video. Thank you for watching the video and see you soon.